How many of you f***s have rusty strut towers? Look at this. Disgusting. Lucky for you, your boys here, Noah and Adam. We made strut tower replacement kits. So this piece right here, that is spot welded on, that rusts out, we made a replacement kit. But you know what we also did? We extended this piece 10 millimeters to cover up your pesky rust like this. So you know what? You probably should get these professionally installed by someone who knows what they're doing. But today, we're gonna do an experiment, see how badly it can go if two guys without any experience or skill try to repair the strut tire rust.
Yeah, we need to see for the website when we post these, we need to be able to rank the installation difficulty.
Yeah.
So
like, can your average pleb do this like us? We're gonna find out today. But yeah, look at that. So nasty, nice, nasty, nice. So first things first, I'm the realist. We're gonna drill out these spot schwelds, peel this back, wire wheel, get all this rust off, then tack this bitch on. Let's see what happens. These will be up on the site. See, it's a kit. They're actually, the two sides aren't the same, so if you're installing this, you need to make sure you have the right side on the right side. This one is the passenger side in a 240, driver side in a 240. This lovely lady hump here is in different locations, as you can see, on the different sides. So make sure you're putting on the right side, or else you're gonna look like a goof. But yeah, so let's try to do this. What do you say, Noah?
Yeah, right on. Let's get to
wire wheeling.
That scared me. It's very crunchy in there.
Crunchy like poo beef butter.
Adam and I discovered the other day, if you look at the seam sealer there,
Factory seam sealer?
you'll see this is just silicone.
Someone silicone this.
And there's like welding wire down here,
So this front tub's likely been replaced at some point.
which is sick. Front end collision? I don't know. What do you
Would be
think?
nice. Looks like where Batman was friggin' bitten by a bat and then became Batman.
Yes.
I'm Batman.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's try.
It's really bad filming conditions. It's way too bright. So there's lots of shadows, bright spots, especially with like a white engine bay like this. It just becomes so overexposed. Like that. First spot weld is drilled out.
We're using the shittiest drill bits for this.
Yeah, we're using like this really rusty dull drill bit, so
As per usual, it's the wrong tool or no tool.
yeah, not ideal. So we're just gonna drill out the rest and then peel this off.
Because what is this, like 3 more holding it on probably?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This looks like 6, 7.
That's so mids.
Alright, so the majority's off. Those of you who think your strut tire rust doesn't look bad, this is what it looks like underneath.
Big chungus.
Garbage.
Very big.
So
Crusty.
make sure you repair this before it goes all the way through.
Like this.
Like this, yeah.
Yes.
So Noah sent it a little too hard on this one, went all the way through.
Whoopsie.
That's alright because our kit covers that.
Hmm.
So yeah, that's pretty much insurance if you are stupid.
Yes.
And then the rest of these pieces, we're gonna go get a flapper wheel and flapper all this off and make it all nice and shite for the schwelding.
Nice and
Yeah.
bare metal. We'll put some rust inhibitor all along this after it's clean and Yes, very good. Very nice. Okay, I'm gonna do a little whoop. Quick $20 later at Home Hardware. Wow, wow.
Flapper and grinder das.
I'm gonna start with the flapper. See if it's aggressive enough for you.
Yeah, well, just fucking have no respect for the implements, do you now?
Yes. Hello? Looks very bad quality.
Flapper disc. Yes.
Sugar, dun, 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 dun.
Here, put it over into the sun so we can see what's going on. Someone send us some grinder wrenches.
think I have one in the garage actually.
Why are we doing this? Is it the song I wrote? And then we'll get some safeties. We'll take a look at the before. No flappers it. Real crunchy. All the pieces of them, the spot welds left. Lots of rust. All these chunks. And then we'll take a look at what it looks like after he flappers it. We're just gonna find some safety goggles. You have safety goggles?
Yes.
Let me see.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hopefully don't kill myself. Holy shit. So the majority of the spot welds are off. We just gotta get, you can see all the just gonna smooth all this out, honestly. And then we'll try and clean up as much of the rust as we can. And yes, and we'll tack on the plate.
Put on S13, sipping Gingarlay.
Yes. Okay, we got a little bit of a rust inhibitor, you know.
You mean Coke Zero?
Yeah. So we're just gonna, I guess, cover this and then. I don't know. I don't have the bottle anymore, so I don't really know how to use this, man. I think
you don't know the rules.
I think you just put it on and then let it soak for like 10 minutes and then wipe it off. It should turn orange shit black, I believe.
Yeah, all this is going to be painted from both above and down under.
Yes. I'm getting fired up, man. Where the f did they go?
Where what go?
The safety goggles, man.
That's
not even fake. That's not even fake.
We're literally looking for those for like 15 minutes, and then I just noticed they're on his head dome, picked up the camera. Buddy's dense, eh?
So dumb, man.
God damn. Oh, this is kind of a beautiful shot right here.
Here's the setup. Everything's been cleaned, wax and grease removed. Got the rust converter, inhibitor, whatever the hell it was. So here's the setup we got going. It's placed down. We got Sharpie marks where we're going to tack for now to get it to stay on there. And then we're just going to tack all around. We'll probably clean up the welds a little bit with the flapper disc. We'll seam seal all the edges again. And then paint over it and it should look pretty decent. Alright, we'll check back in when this is all schwelded and we'll clean it up nice and we'll show you how it looks. Here's the update. Not too bad, it's on there. We might put a couple more welds just for safety's sake. But like once this is painted and seam sealed, you won't even be able to tell it's a repair. F***ing mint, dude.
If your S13's rust, you're gonna want some of these. I mean, we're using a $100 Harbor Freight welder with zero skill, zero knowledge, zero brain power. So you could do this too.
Yeah, like if you're like us and you just want to do everything yourself because you're dumb.
And very cheap.
Yeah, you could do it yourself. I mean, obviously it's not gonna be the same result as if like you got a professional to do it, but you can make it work, and it doesn't even look bad. It looks fine.
Not terrible. All right.
It's all tacked on right now. I'm just gonna mask it off, and we're gonna lay some paint over the bare metal, just for now, because we're not gonna finish the whole engine bay today, and I want this to be able to just sit, and I don't want to have to worry about it rusting. So a little bit of paint over the bare metal, and then fix all the other surface rust. And then we're gonna pull the brake booster out and then we'll start the painting process. But for now, we'll just paint this.
Yeah, also you could easily just spot weld these panels on like the original ones. We just don't have the knowledge or access to anything like that, so we just decided to tack her on.
Yeah, fuck it.
And then we'll seam seal around it. And it'll get painted over.
Okay. Well, that's that. Pretty simple process. I mean, if we can do it, you could definitely do it.
You could probably make it look nicer than us too.
100%. Yeah, this was just like the fender's gonna cover half of it, seam seal is gonna cover the welds. So like, what do you want, you know? What are you gonna do? It's not rusty anymore, that's all that matters. Yeah, well,
these will be on the website
soon.
Next drop, I think next drop two weeks probably.
Probably 2-3 weeks from now. Yeah.
Lots of clothes, lots of stuff coming.
Lots of accessories for your car.
Yeah. So save up. Start saving up for that.
Yeah, save up some funding. These will be available. They're gonna come in some cool packaging. They're not just gonna come in 2 pieces. They'll probably come soaked in something to prevent, you know, like surface rust from oils on your hands and shit.
It is raw steel after all. So.
Yeah.
How's your No Nut November going so far?
Huh?
How's your No Nut November going
I
so
fell down
far?
on the first day, man.
Same.
Yeah.
It was a bummer. Comment below how your No Nut November's
We
going.
don't have to participate because we're growing mustaches. It's one or the other.
Oh.
So we're safe. We're fine, man.
Okay.
We are alright.
Everything is going to be alright. So start saving your loonies and toonies for the drop. It's coming up.
Yes.
As per usual, limited amounts of everything. The clothing goes really quick in particular sizes, so
Yeah, Uncle
be
Joel's
ready.
already got dibs on fucking couple, so you guys better be on it.
But yeah, otherwise, yeah, comment below how your No Nut November's going, and
Stay tuned for more.
stay tuned for the rest of the engine bay.
No, yeah, next video we'll scotch braid it.
Painting it, and then sliding in the SR20 det.
Yes.
Just a classic S13 wrench, you know?
Yeah.
Hopefully that's Joel with some friggin' margins.
Yeah, we need
He's
to know
blowing
about
it.
these margins.
Uncle Joel, you need to work on your margin speed if we want to be doing big things together, you know?
Yes.
Now it's not Brandon slacking, it's you.
Yeah.
Come on.
Wake it up.
Wake it up.
Joel. Okay, we're gonna clean up half the garage right now.
So
So
fucking mess. See
till
you later,
next time.
alligators.
Shalom.
The boys will try to